Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to delete businessbooking.com account. Firstly, log in as the administrator on your booking.com business account. Go to the administration section and click on company details. Scroll to the bottom and select delete company account, then tick the confirmation box, then click delete. You will then be automatically redirected to your personal account on booking.com. Note that only the administrator can perform this action, and once deleted, all users log in directly to their personal accounts, no business account access. All business account data, including booking history, travel profiles, and saved credit cards, will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. So you have to make sure you download any necessary invoices or records before deleting, since the deletion is irreversible. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.